He is now lighting the sparkler. Sparkler lit. Cody, you might want to move your leg.
He's like, I'm scared to go up.
Yeah, I kind of am. Almost there.
Damn longer fuses.
Here we go. It's right level with it. Should go any second. Watch it just burn out. There it goes.
Love the maniacal laughter.
I actually got a...
Holy birthday cakes!
I had to back up to get all of it. Fire's lit.
And this is what you put on your birthday cake.
Cody, what did he have in there?
Sparklers?
Are you happy I told you this?
Yes.
That is how you light a fire in 10 seconds or less.
How long does that last?
I'm at the minute mark.
45, at least 40 seconds.
Let's at a minute 30 almost now.
When's it gonna stop?
I want to see the can.
It's like, wait.
Do you see a can in there anywhere, honey?
I can